Mabuhay! Sabaydi! I'm Kissa. This is our second day of exploring the beauty of Nong Khiaw here in northern Laos. And for today's video, I will take you to Pha Thok Cave. It's one of the famous caves here in Nong Khiaw. Because there's two caves here, the Pha Quang and the Pha Thok Cave. But for today's video, I will take you to Pha Thok Cave. It's around 2 kilometers from the city center going to Pha Thok Cave. Are you excited? Kaya tara! Samahan niyo ako. Pha Thok Cave! Here? Or here, right? Pha Thok? Pha Thok? Pha Quang?
Pha Quang.
Pha Thok here!
There you can see Pha Thok Cave.
Different! Okay, let's go Pha Thok Cave.
Pha Thok Cave.
Okay, see ya! See you later! Let's go! Heidi! Bye-bye! But before I take you to Pha Thok Cave, let's eat our brunch first. Breakfast and lunch. I'm really hungry. Let's go here to our favorite restaurant. We want to order the fried, the same with yesterday, fried chicken. Yeah, that one and one paning. Which one do you prefer, chicken or pork?
Pork is better.
Okay, pork. And 2 rice, 1 iced coffee, cup chai. I'm excited. I'm really hungry. And now I have my orders already. I ordered the stir-fried chicken with ginger and onions, and this one, the penang pork. I can smell the coconut milk from this. Let's start eating. I'll try this one first. Wow. Still hot. I'm ready. Let's go. Wow, the pork is really soft and the richness of the coconut milk is really flavorful. Wow, and it has lemongrass too. I think Lao cuisine and Philippine cuisine is a bit the same. This is same like ginataan in the Philippines, which is I really love too. Next, let's try this stir-fried chicken with ginger and onions. Up with rice. I can really taste the ginger from it. It's really supplier delicious. Here in Nong Khiaw, all the restaurants were closed because of COVID, and we're really lucky to find this one nearby our guest house. Today is Saturday, so there's a lot of locals now eating in here. Hi! My new friend, but she's shy. I am really full and I'm really happy. All the foods are supplied or delicious. Now it's time for us to go to the cave. The Pha Thok Cave is just across the bridge. We are now on the other side of the bridge. It's around 15 minutes walk. Let's keep walking. Nong Khiaw is really a remote town compared to all the places we've been through around Laos. But the people are really welcoming, hospitable, super friendly, and they're all smiling at us. We feel really welcome in here. The temperature now is really hot, but the good news is all the tourist spots are just walkable. It takes around 10, 5, or 15 minutes to go to the tourist spots. So let's go. We can save a lot of money from motorbike rental shop, bike, and tuk-tuk. Let's go now. Come on, Pha Thok Cave, where are you? Where are If you feel like you're walking too far, don't you worry. Just keep on going because eventually you will see this. Welcome to Pha Thok Cave. And the locals in the main city will tell you it's just around 15 minutes. They're wrong. Now we are walking for like 30 minutes. Let's go. Moving. Finally, welcome to Pha Thok Cave. Let's go inside. Wow, look at this. It's really huge. It's really big. Wow. I want you to feel how big it is through the video, but of course I cannot do that. So you know, you have to come here to experience this. We are now here in Pha Thok Cave. We just paid around 10,000 kip for each. That's around 50 pesos in the Philippines for the entrance fee. Let's go now. The scenery in the feet of the cave is beautiful. We are surrounded with greens and nature. Let's go. Wow, look at this. There's a small information about this. The bomb 500 hole was dropped during the Civil War since 1967. It was dropped right here. Interesting. Let's go over there. You know you already hit the entrance when you finally see the concrete stairways. And it says in the ticket that Pha Thok has 3 caves. Cave 1, 2, and 3. And Pha Thok Cave is set on the limestone cliff. Let's go upstairs. Here inside the first cave of Pha Thok Caves. Pha Thok Caves was used as hideout spots during 1960s when the time of Indo-China War. And it is said that Pha Thok Caves was divided into parts like a police station, military station. This one is the fortress station and hospital section. We are now standing in the fortress unit. This is the first contact whenever there's an attack or troops coming near the Pha Thok Cave. They are the one who will notify each section to be ready whenever there's an attack. Let's go to other unit. And this is the telecommunication unit. They are in charge of the incoming calls. Make sure they are working. And this section is their meeting room. They put bamboo chairs for us to envision what it's about. This cave is really interesting. Based on my research, this cave used to be a hideout spot of over 300 people for over 8 years. It was divided into sections. Imagine the feeling of scared people who use this as a hiding spot. Now we are lucky we never have to experience those tragic moments. And we are now here in the cave 1. As you can see, going up is really dark because this cave needs to have a tour guide. However, during this time, it was COVID, there was no one available for as our tour guide. It was only me and my cameraman. So we have decided to shoot until here. Overall, Pha Thok Cave is very interesting and rich in history. This is used as a hideout spot of over 300 people for over 8 years. Although this cave is recommended to have a tour guide, however, during this time, it has a COVID, no one is available for our tour guide. So we just decided to stop the shooting until the cave 1, because inside it will get really dark. But if ever you visit Nong Khiaw, don't miss out the rich history of Pha Thok Caves. And that ends our vlog for today. I hope you had fun as much as I did. And as I always say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me some love with thumbs up, and don't forget to spread the word, share, and share. You can always leave a comment down below, and please do click the bell button so you will get all the updates. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye!